View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy family.
Everyone washed their hands?
Yes!
Yes.
Mama Wheelzy's feeding the children a delicious and healthy lunch.
Vegetables! Oh, broccoli! Tomatoes! Carrots! And peas! Yeah, there's meat too. Yeah, look, it's the meatball man.
Oh, there's an emergency. I've got to get to work.
What about us?
Have a nice day, Mama.
Goodbye, Mom.
Bye-bye.
Now, kids, you're stuck with me.
I'm full now.
That a girl. Then it's time to play.
No.
The game we're playing is called Guess the Food. Broomy, close your eyes now. Here we go. Hey, hey, yeah, hey, hey, hey,
What is it? Broccoli?
Almost. It's bromato. Broccoli and tomato.
Bromato. Let's go again.
Vroomy's guessing what food it is again.
It's meat and carrot. Carrot meat. Tom, Pep, what?
Bloom Boom likes playing this game too. He's eaten all his tomatoes, peppers, and his carrots.
Good boy, Plumey. You win today.
Broomy, do you want some more veggies?
Oh my, what's Vroomy up to? Grandpa Ladle knows this isn't going to end well. Vroomy wants to hide her lunch.
Over here. No one's gonna find them over here.
Whoa!
Hey,
The old wise excavator is looking carefully around the room. Where could the children have hidden their plates?
Oh! Oh no, oh no!
Grandpa Ladle?
Huh?
Are you hiding something?
Shh! Come close.
What?
You've gone and angered the Carrot Queen.
What? She's come for revenge! Please attack!
The vegetables are very upset that the children didn't finish their plates.
Oh, yeah!
Broomies decided to protect the computer screen with a colander.
Broomy, open the window! There we go. Back. 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 Phew.
We did it!
No.
You?
If you don't eat all your healthy vegetables, then the queen will come back.
Oi.
And she'll have her revenge!
What are we gonna do, Grandpa Ladle? They're all hiding.
Follow me. Vegetables grow in patches. We'll find them and cook them.
Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep.
Quickly now. Get to work.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
Aha!
Hey? Hey? I think that'll do.
Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep, beep.
Grandpa Ladle is cooking the children some delicious and healthy vegetables.
Hey? You kids, dig in now.
What? Vroomy, come on, quick!
Broomy, where are you going?
I'm off scouting. Nothing to find.
No one at all.
Maybe somebody's still there.
Here's Plummy.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Broomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy family.
Today, there's a real disaster at the Wheelzy family's house.
Oh, sweetie, my oven is broken.
Don't panic. To fix the oven, we need to take it apart and lay the parts out in order.
Wheelzy Papa has decided to lay the parts out on a tray.
Aha!
He needs to write numbers to make sure each part is in its place.
I'm starting the repairs.
Oh, this'll take a while.
I got you.
I got you first. Don't cry. It's okay. 1 second. Here, protective glasses.
Mr. Bad.
Quick, we need glasses too.
Hey. Hey.
Grandpa Ladle is going to see what his grandkids are up to.
Oh, they're spies! Who are they looking for?
Aliens from outer space have broken our robot assistant.
We're looking for a stolen wheel.
That's serious. Good luck, guys. It's really nice out there. Most likely, the robot wheel is outside on the alien spaceship launch pad out front.
Wow! An actual alien spaceship launch pad in our garden.
Broomy, let's go outside. Wee-oo, beep, beep.
Wee-oo, wee-oo, beep, beep. Wee-oo, wee-oo.
Achoo! Right. I've got it. Now I need to put the parts back in place. And in the right order.
I got you. Hey.
No, that's an Earthling.
Huh?
The alien is there.
Hey.
Really? Uh-oh. Here's your alien exterminator. A very badly behaved alien.
Where?
Mr. Bad.
The badly behaved car broke someone's toy car.
It's awful when toys are destroyed like that. Thank goodness our children are such sweethearts. You're an alien!
No, you're an alien!
Oh! Found it! The wheel!
Huh? Ooh.
The little spies have found the wheel they need for their broken robot assistant. How lucky! Even a broken toy can come in handy.
Wheel, wheel, beep, beep.
The wheel fits perfectly.
That goes here!
Well, it sure looks like we fixed it all up.
All that's left is to check the voice playback function.
You repeat what we say. Wheelzy, we're the very best spies. 1 second.
You need help from the chief mechanic. Let's call him.
I am calling the chief mechanic.
Ouch!
Nick.
All good now, dear. Bake your cake.
Papa. Mechanic. Here.
Oh, thank you, sweetie.
The robot assistant needs help.
No need to put anything together.
Of course, there's no need. We already put it together.
You need a secret part.
A battery!
Huh. Heh. Heh. All done. The chief mechanic has finished the job.
The chief mechanic has finished the job.
View Wheelzy Papa.
View Wheelzy Mama. Their car kids are cute, but do cause drama. Vroomy! Vroomy! They like to play. Bloom Boom the baby drops something every day. Grandpa Ladle is the one who steps in to help. He will make sure car kids will get on well. The Wheelzy family.
Oh, hello? Oh, yes, sure.
Wheelzy Mama's been called into work. She's an ambulance, and ambulances always have to be ready for emergencies. That's her beacon. That's lipstick. Wheelzy Mama's painting a big red cross on herself so that everyone can see it.
Mommy, what are you doing? Good morning, Vroomy. Oh, good morning. What's going on? I'm heading to work. It's an emergency. We need to get someone to the hospital who didn't like buckling their seatbelt.
Oh. They didn't like buckling their seatbelt? Huh, that's silly. Yeah?
Plumy, wearing a seatbelt's fun, right?
So much fun.
Let's all play seatbelts.
Yeah.
1 minute.
Yeah?
Vroomy's looking for a seatbelt for her little brother. Any belt will do for this game.
Please buckle up. The bus is leaving soon.
Click, click. A safety check.
You are all buckled up. Now it's safe to go. Time for the bus to go.
Yeah. Click, click.
Click, click.
Wheel, wheel, beep, beep. Wheel, wheel, beep. The wheels on the bus go round and round, round and round, round and round. The bus is driving boom boom around. Beep beep boom boom boom.
Oh no! Something's gone wrong. Oil's pouring out of Plume Boom right onto the floor.
Oops.
An accident!
Oh, don't cry. Everything will be okay. Oh, we need to call an ambulance. Huh? Hello? Doctor, the patient has a puddle under the body.
It's an emergency!
And please come quickly. Done. Huh. The doctor's on the way.
Wee wee beep beep, wee wee beep beep, wee wee beep beep. What? Huh? Yuck! Oh, right. Let's paint on a cross. A doctor's on the way. Don't cry, baby. It will all be okay. There's an ambulance to take you to the hospital.
To the repair shop.
Yeah.
What? Ready?
Yes. Let's go.
Wheel, wheel, beep, beep.
The Wheelzy kids have brought their little brother to the garage for a checkup.
I'm raising the lift. Did you like it?
And here's the doctor with her special medical bag.
What? Let me have a listen to you.
Vroomy's put on her stethoscope.
Breathe in. Breathe out.
Vroomy, look! You need an injection!
These are my toys, and I'm the doctor, and you need an injection.
You get an injection! And you... and you... Down! Can't catch me! Can't catch me! What gives?
Huh? What's going on here?
She's throwing things at the hospital.
Uh-huh. I get it. You're doctors.
Yes.
And you're the patient.
Patient.
Doctors need a clean area to work in. Let's make a proper clinic. Let me get started. On the checkup.
It was you who threw it.
Because of you.
Hey, hurry up, please. I need your help. Looks like you overheated. Nurse Broomy, the thermometer, please. And you, Nurse Broomy, get something to cool his engine down.
Get it done.
Thank you. Heh, heh. Yes, you definitely overheated. We'll get you nice and cool now.
Oh, here's some coolant.
Huh? Get down. Heh. Open your mouth. Great job, doctors. Who needs treating now?